The bar exams could make or unmake years of hard work. For some 6,344 aspiring lawyers, years of caffeine ingestion, sleep deprivation, and rote memorization of laws have boiled down to the most important test of their lives as they take the 2014 bar exams at the University of Santo Tomas.
Sabi ng mga professors namin, we just have to remember what we have learned during the first 5 years of law school.
So anong pakiramdam first time na mag-exam?
First time na rin na nagkaroon ng girlfriend, parang ganun, first date.
The oldest bar candidate, laging baksak.
Sir!
Self-review, ba't hindi na ako na-reply, sir?
Oo.
Kaya siguro hindi tayo swerte makapasa eh. Kailangan siguro pabalik-balik eh.
Classmates, friends, and family have also flocked UST to support the bar examinees. Organizations and schools provided food and reviewers in transparent bags. They also cheered the aspiring lawyers as they entered the exam venue.
Ay, well supportive lang yan. We have to do by all means. Nag-alaga kami ng baboy, binta. Ang nanay niya ay driver.
For this year's exams, transparent bags and backpacks of all forms and colors are in trend. This has been in accordance to a new rule implemented by the High Court, asking barristers to place their belongings in transparent bags as a security measure. Manila Mayor Joseph Erap Estrada has also inspected the security measures implemented by the police in the university premises.
For this morning, we have a total of 250 policemen, augmented by traffic and by MMDA. So far, the situation is peaceful, aside from the traffic, which is expected.
This year's bar exams is the 113th time that it has been facilitated and will be conducted in 4 consecutive Sundays of October. This is Iris Joseph Hegina, Inquirer.net.